Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to do web parameter tampering. The web parameter tampering attack is based on the manipulating of parameters exchanging between the client and server in order to modify application data, such as user credential and permission, price and quality of products. Usually, this information is stored in the cookies, hidden from fields or URL query strings, and these are used to increase application functionality and control. This attack can be performed by a malicious user who wants to exploit the application on their own benefit, or an attacker who wishes to attack a third person using a man-in-middle attack. So now, here I am using the web code, in that exploiting hidden fields. Here it is showing the simple purchasing shopping site. The purchasing site consists of product name, quality, price, and total amount. Here it is showing that you are purchasing an HD TV. So now make sure that your browser proxy has been set and Burp intercept on. Submit the request to the browser by clicking on purchase button. Now moving to the Burp, and next click on forward button. Now moving to the target, search for your URL, which consists of quality, price and total amount. Here I got it. So now you can see that this shows the price and quality and also the price of HD TV. Think that and want this HD TV for the lower price. Then let's move back to the browser. Click once again on purchase button and then move back to the Burp. Here the Burp has captured the request, which you can edit before sending it to server. Now don't click on the forward button. So before sending it to server, change the price of parameter value. I am changing it as 500. Now the parameters exchange between the client and server in order to modify application data. And now click on forward button and then moving to the target tab. Search for the URL which we have changed the price parameter value and check the response. Here it has accepted the price. Now we have bought the SD TV for $500. Now you may get this type of vulnerabilities in many shopping sites. Look over them and report to the companies and get the bounty. That's all in this video. Thank you.